Introduction to distributions and their role. Distributions are mathematical models that describe how data is spread out and organized. They play a crucial role in data analysis, allowing us to better understand patterns, trends, and relationships within complex datasets. Types of distributions. Normal distribution, the most common distribution, characterized by a symmetric, bell-shaped curve. It is used to model a wide range of natural and social phenomena. Binomial distribution describes the probability of a certain number of successes in a fixed number of independent trials, such as coin flips or product defects. Poisson distribution models the probability of a given number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time or space, such as customer arrivals or website visits. Importance of distributions in data analysis. Summarizing data, distributions provide a concise way to represent the overall shape, central tendency, and spread of a dataset. Inferential statistics. Distributions are essential for making inferences about population parameters from sample data, such as hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. Predictive modeling. Distributions are used as the foundation for predictive models, allowing us to forecast future outcomes based on historical data. Characteristics and properties of distributions. Central tendency. Measures like the mean, median, and mode describe the central value or typical value in a distribution. Spread. Measures like variance and standard deviation describe how dispersed the data is around the central value. Skewness. The degree of asymmetry in a distribution, indicating whether the data is skewed to the left or right. Kurtosis. The measure of the peakness or flatness of a distribution, describing the relative concentration of values. Applications of distributions in real-world scenarios. Business analytics. Distributions help analyze sales trends, predict customer demand, and optimize inventory management. Healthcare. Distributions are used to model disease prevalence, evaluate treatment outcomes, and forecast resource needs. Finance. Distributions are crucial for portfolio optimization, risk analysis, and forecasting market trends.